Nice day to all of you guys. This is Franklin Biloria of Autofix Garage. Welcome back to our channel. So we have L200 here, 4x4. We are going to install a radio. So that is our episode for today. So we are using Kenwood car stereo. So we are going to remove this AC control panel, and this is the car stereo mounting in this empty box here. We have to remove this one also. So this is our car stereo, Kenwood brand. Then this is the model KMM-BT205. So this is the function of this car stereo. So there's Spotify, Bluetooth, music playback, Android rapid charge, we'll unbox. So there is a microphone included. We will install also. There is owner's manual. So this is the one. So this is the harness connector of our car stereo. We'll put electrical tape in the middle of our harness connector. Okay. Then we will connect it here. Okay. These are our basic hand tools. So this is plastic scraper, flat screwdriver, and long Phillips screw. This plastic scraper we will use to remove this AC control panel. Okay, we have to remove this steering column cover in the driver side. This is screw bolt, and here, this one also. And there's another plastic screw bolt here, so that we can remove this cover of our steering column. Okay. have to remove this detailing connector. We have to remove the AC air ventilation cable, this one. We are using that screwdriver so that we can easily remove the cable. Okay, then we'll press the lock here. Okay, it's already removed. We'll remove the glove box. We have to remove this air recirculation cable, this color violet. We'll remove this also, this cable for our heater ventilation lever. Okay, we're using this plastic scraper to remove the AC control panel. Okay, we'll insert here the lower portion. Then pull it up. Then we have to put a little piece of rock in this portion, the lower portion, to avoid scratch of our dashboard. Okay. Then pull it out. Okay. Then this empty box we have to remove. Before we can remove that one, there's a mounting bolt here. So we have 4. This other side also. Okay, we remove that one. Okay, we remove already the clock and the empty box here. Only we will remove this Corisco bolts of this empty box. Okay, because we will install here our radio car stereo. Okay. So this is our harness connector of our car stereo. This is our antenna. We will insert later on after we install the car stereo in our mounting bracket. Okay. Okay, now we'll return it back in the mounting. So we will connect the harness connector of our car stereo. Okay, then the antenna will insert here in the mounting. Okay, we have to pull out this cover of our instrument cluster. We will insert the wire here and the microphone will mounted here. Okay, so this is our microphone. We will put electrical tape because it is very long. The wire is the length of the wire is very long. Okay, so we will install here. We will put the strap. Okay, we will insert here in our instrument panel. The cover. Okay. So this is our microphone. I already mounted in the instrument cluster. Okay. Okay, we will connect the microphone here. So there is a port here, black color. Okay, then the harness of the clock. Okay, okay guys, we're going to fix it back the AC control panel. We already fixed the radio. Okay, Then the trim plate will fix it already also. Okay, now we're going to return back all the cables of our AC air recirculation cable and the heater ventilation cable. Okay, we will push this IOD so that we can check our car stereo. Okay, so we have USB port here for MP3. Okay guys, we finished the car stereo installation for today. So I hope you enjoy watching our video episode for today. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you can notify in the next video tutorial. Thank you and God bless everyone.